This is the symbol for infinity, but do you know where it came from? Why do we use this symbol in particular? The first time that symbol was used mathematically to denote infinity was in 1655 by English mathematician John Wallis. And this is it. This is the very first instance we know of that symbol used as infinity. It's in his treatise, De Sectionibus Conicis, about conic sections, and he's talking about an infinitesimal part of an infinite whole, and then he clarifies that he's going to use that symbol to denote an infinite number. But why did he use that symbol in particular? The symbol itself had been around for a long time as a decoration motif. For example, this is what's known as a picture stone from the Viking Age, and you can see the infinity symbol all around, just used as decoration. Some people think that maybe the infinity symbol was derived from the lowercase letter omega, the last letter of the Greek alphabet, which would make sense to denote infinite, being the last letter. But the most likely explanation is that the symbol infinity actually comes from the symbol that was used in Roman numerals to denote 1,000, a very large number, before the letter M was introduced to denote 1,000 in Roman numerals. This is an actual page from a 16th century manual, so before Wallis, a manual to learn how to use Roman numerals, and you can see that the symbol for 1,000 is abbreviated using the infinity symbol. So it's likely that Wallis just used that symbol to denote infinity. And then after Wallis, we see that mathematicians start to pick up that symbol and use it as infinity, that symbol or variants of that symbol. For example, in this document by Euler, there is a similar symbol being used to denote infinity, which looks like, perhaps because of typographical limitations, he is using something that looks like a letter S that has been rotated 90 degrees. You can see it a little bit better here. Last, I will say that the symbol is what we call the lemniscate of Bernoulli, which, of course, it's a nice representation of infinity because of the way it wraps around. But if you're bothered that infinity is denoted by a symbol that is finite, that is bounded, then don't worry, because the lemniscate is the curve that you get when you do a circle inversion of a hyperbola, which of course is unbounded.